In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize a bar chart in Google Docs. Whether you're using this tool for work, school, or a personal project, inserting charts can significantly enhance the clarity and impact of your documents. First, let's start by navigating over to docs.google.com. Once there, log into your account with your credentials. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to do so. After logging in, you'll see a list of your available documents. Select the file you want to work with. If you're starting fresh, go ahead and create a new document. With your document open, our next goal is to insert a bar chart. To do this, look towards the top menu and click on the Insert option. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover over Chart, and then you'll see various options. Select Bar. This action will insert a default bar chart into your document. Now, to have a closer look or make any changes, we need to access the data behind this chart. Click on the three dots located in the upper right corner of the chart, which will reveal additional options. From there, click Open Source. This will open a new window or tab with a linked Google Sheets file. Once you're inside the Google Sheets file, scroll up and you'll notice your chart there. You can easily drag the chart to another location within the sheet if you find it necessary. This is where you can edit your data directly. You have full control to input your specific data points, adjust any numbers, or change the labels as you see fit to reflect the information you want to portray. If you feel like changing the type of chart you're using, simply right-click on the chart and choose Chart Style. From here, you need to navigate to the Setup menu. You'll see an array of chart types available to you. Explore these options by selecting different ones and observing how they change the look of your chart. For our tutorial today, I'll settle on the column chart as it best matches the style I'm aiming for. With all your adjustments complete, it's time to return to your Google Docs file. Back in your document, take a look at the chart you inserted earlier. You should notice an Update button on the chart. Click this button to refresh the chart and apply all the changes and edits you made in Google Sheets. And just like that, you're good to go. Your document now boasts a customized chart that gives your information more visual appeal and clarity. Adding charts to your documents not only makes your data more readable, but also adds a professional touch that can be invaluable in both academic and business settings. Feel free to experiment with different data sets and chart types to get even more comfortable with these tools. Happy charting!